deviled chicken francese. We started with chicken cutlets, and I make these by cutting each breast in half across. The flour has a little bit of cheese to give it an extra bite and crispiness. This is 1 cup of AP flour, half a cup of grated Parmigiano Reggiano, and devilishly, 2 teaspoons each of granulated garlic and granulated onion. Devilishly here, of course, we have pepper. I chose a wildly spicy pepper mix, by the way. And in the eggs, I added Dijon mustard. And I also put 1 splash, like 2-3 tablespoons of milk into the eggs. And these are 6 chicken cutlets. If you're making 4 chicken cutlets, you can go with 3 eggs. If you're gonna make 6, go with 4 eggs. My recommendation. And whisk that up together or stir it up with a fork, ready to go. And then I use a transfer plate just to get it into the oil and butter to begin with. So we're gonna take our chicken breast cutlets, drop them into the flour first, and toss that around, and always shake off our excess, and then we drop it into our eggs. Really coat them well, because that's your pretty puff, and let them drain a bit. That's why we need our transfer platter. So I just added lemon juice to the pan. We cooked all of our chicken cutlets in. Now we're gonna add white wine. And these are all your usual suspects for chicken francese. The egg puffed cutlet that we all know and love so well. Normally I add sliced ground lemon to this, but that's gonna get a little bit weird because we're doing this a different style. We're gonna melt in a couple of slabs of butter, about 3 tablespoons. To our sauce, we're gonna take the chicken francese, turn it in this wine sauce, and then we're gonna melt an entire ball of mozzarella on top of it. Okay guys, now we take this spicy version of francese, which is chicken cutlets that are covered with flour and then with egg and then cooked in olive oil and butter. And let's not waste our sauce. Let's pour that right over the white wine and the stock. Boop, 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 boop. Over the top. And then we top that with some sliced hot pickled cherry peppers. Whoa. What? And then you just serve it so simple with a little side of greens of any kind with lemon juice and olive oil or some sauteed broccoli rabe. How about that?